Hi, I'm Todd Cook. Welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of Polymer E-Club's Ask the Cook. We're here to talk about polymers and polymer application to help you answer the question, what do you need to know to add polymer skills to your career? Doing a little bit of insert molding, and I thought I would introduce a couple of formats of insert molding presses. There is another episode on the vertical press, and this one is about the vertical horizontal press. This is a more traditional setup for insert molding. These machines have been around for a while. They tend to mimic standard injection molding machines in every way except the clamp direction. So basically, because you're doing inserting, what you'd like to have the mold presented very easily to the operator from the front of the machine. And so this vertical press arrangement makes that very handy. So the thing opens up and then off you go, putting components in place, making sure everything's arranged correctly, and then you close the press and the injection process happens from the rear. Now what's good about that is that you can put these in a very small ceiling height. You only have to have enough room to move the clamp up, so they tend to be pretty good from that point of view. But you do need a larger footprint because the injection unit is in line with the press base, and so you have that extra footprint that you have to cope with. That's an advantage you get with the other style, with the vertical style. But what's good about the vertical horizontal style is that it's relatively easy to pull the screw and do disassembly and clean out and those kinds of things with this arrangement, because the screw's right there, horizontal, comes right out towards the operator space. That's very handy for doing that. Plus these presses are a little bit less expensive. So they use more traditional components that you might find on other standard presses. So that's one of the things you get with the vertical horizontal press. So basically when you think of insert molding, that vertical press portion is very important. But it's also nice to think about the format for the injection portion of the machine, the more traditional vertical horizontal press needing a little more footprint and less ceiling height. The vertical needing more ceiling height, but getting a very tight footprint if you need that. So knowing how these press formats can impact your floor layout and even part design, that's working knowledge. Just what we share with you here at Polymer E-Club's Ask the Cook. Now don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on notifications, and even share if you appreciate the content. You can follow a link in the description to learn more about the Polymer E-Club community and how you can get involved. I'm Todd Cook for Polymer E-Club's Ask the Cook. Thanks for watching.